Oh my god. Do you see this? Oh, that's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Oh yeah. Got some bacon sausage cups. Put some lemon slices on it. Oh yeah. And some jalapeno poppers, stuffed mushrooms. Okay. Ooh. Wait. I forgot something. My chili powder. Ha 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 ha. Keep this in my purse. It's the Thai chili powder. The ultimate gorgeousness. If you guys like spicy, get your hands on this. Oh, I forgot my peppers too. Be right back. Can I put it here? No, you can't see it. Whatever. That's not the point. Okay, I'm gonna start off. Oh, that shit is good. So these bacon wrapped sausage cups, get my shit together, is a recipe that one of my friends was like, let's make this for our next camping trip. So that inspired me to go ahead and make some. So, you know, it's like a test run, so I don't make it not so tasty when we go there. So let's see how this baby turned out. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna burn my mouth though. Oh my god. Oh my god. I mean, seriously though, you can't go wrong with cream cheese and bacon on anything. Like, holy fuck. I got some enoki mushrooms wrapped in bacon. I dedicate today to bacon. Oh yeah. Oh. I think this right here. I think this is good, like, party finger food too. Have like a little barbecue cookout. Okay. These I'm a little scared of. As much as I like spice. Oh, excuse my ugly fingers. I broke my nail this morning. I know, what is life without beautiful nails? But it's okay. Good thing about it, it grows and you can get them done again. Oh, that is some good shit. Oh, that is spicy too. Oh. Oh yeah. No. I'm sweating already. 아, 정말 맛있어. So the stuffing is the same base, except these I just added more cheese in it. This one is cream cheese, and then I want a little bit of texture in it, so I added some panko, you know, the Japanese breadcrumbs. I added that. Minced garlic, the Thai chili powder. If you don't have Thai chili powder, no, you need the Thai chili powder. This thing, oh my god, so good. But if you don't have it, I guess you can use Cayenne or Paprika. And then I add a little bit of, whatchamacallit shit? The thingy that you put, oh, Old Bay. The thing that you put in for most seafood boils. And then I did, of course, my all-time garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of salt, pepper, and then you literally just mix it up. Oh, and I put some parsley leaves in there as well, just for the color. But I don't know, it looks pretty good, just without it too. I can barely see it, but that was it for the base. And then I stuffed the jalapeno poppers and then the mushroom caps, and then for these bacon wrapped sausage cups I added cheese. On the recipe that my friend showed me, they used cube cheese, and then they didn't really tell me what they made their cream cheese stuffing with. It was more like a purchase it and we'll give you the recipe type of deal. So I was like, man, fuck you, I'm gonna do my own shit. So this, Mm. 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 So good. I think my friend's gonna love this. So good.